In the panorama of health, there lies an often overlooked factor that has the power to either build or break the very foundation of our well-being: our diet. Imagine, for a moment, if your body were a complex machine. Vitamins and minerals would be the microscopic yet mighty gears and cogs ensuring its smooth operation. The absence of these crucial nutrients can lead to a plethora of health problems, underscoring the importance of a balanced diet over opting for what might merely be tantalizing to the taste buds. Vitamin A is paramount for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. It's predominantly found in carrots, sweet potatoes, and kale. Adequate intake of vitamin A ensures protection against night blindness and supports a healthy immune system. This vitamin also plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin and mucous membranes, acting as a frontline defense against bacteria and viruses. Widely celebrated for its immunity-enhancing properties, vitamin C is a powerhouse that supports the immune system. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons are rich in this vitamin. It acts as a potent antioxidant, fighting free radicals and preventing oxidative stress. Vitamin C also aids in the production of collagen, crucial for wound healing and maintaining the integrity of our skin and connective tissues. Often referred to as the sunlight vitamin, vitamin D is unique as it can be synthesized by our body when exposed to sunlight. It is crucial for bone health, aiding in calcium absorption. Foods fortified with vitamin D, like some dairy products and cereals, also help in its intake. Deficiency in vitamin D can lead to bone deformities, such as rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. Vitamin E is a key player in protecting cell membranes from damage, acting as an antioxidant. It's found in abundant supply in nuts and seeds. This vitamin also plays a role in immune function and skin health, protecting against the aging effects of UV exposure and environmental pollutants. Essential for blood clotting and wound healing, vitamin K can be largely found in green leafy vegetables like spinach and broccoli. It plays a crucial role in bone health too, aiding the synthesis of proteins necessary for bone formation. Deficiency of vitamin K can result in excessive bleeding due to delayed clotting times. Calcium is synonymous with strong bones and teeth. It's abundant in dairy products, fortified plant milks, and leafy greens. Adequate calcium prevents osteoporosis and supports proper function of the heart, muscles, and nerves. Iron is vital for creating hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen to the body's tissues. It's found in red meat, beans, and fortified cereals. Iron deficiency can lead to anemia, characterized by fatigue and decreased immune function. Zinc is crucial for metabolism, immune function, and the repair of body cells. You can get zinc from meat, dairy, and legumes. It plays a role in over 100 enzymatic reactions in the body, making it an essential mineral for human health. Magnesium supports over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle and nerve function, blood glucose control, and blood pressure regulation. It's found in nuts, seeds, whole grains, and green leafy vegetables. POS2S, vitamin K, often overlooked, plays a crucial role not just in blood clotting, but also in maintaining strong bones. It acts as a coenzyme for proteins that are essential for blood coagulation, preventing excessive bleeding. Without sufficient vitamin K, even a small cut could be dangerous. Moreover, it works in tandem with vitamin D to ensure that calcium finds its way into the bones, enhancing bone density and reducing the risk of fractures. You can boost your vitamin K levels by including kale, spinach, and other green leafy vegetables in your diet. Remember, maintaining adequate vitamin K levels is key for your overall health, particularly in how your body handles injuries and maintains bone strength. POS2S. Now, let's talk about magnesium, a vital mineral often called the muscle relaxer. Magnesium plays a crucial role in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, including those that govern muscle and nerve function. It helps to relax muscles, reduce muscle tension, and prevent cramps, which is why many athletes swear by magnesium supplements for recovery. Furthermore, magnesium is essential for proper nerve transmission and can help manage neurological conditions by regulating neurotransmitters. But its benefits don't stop there. Magnesium also contributes to energy production, supports a healthy immune system, and has been shown to help regulate blood glucose levels, contributing to heart health. To ensure you're getting enough magnesium, include plenty of nuts, seeds, whole grains, and leafy green vegetables in your diet. Embracing magnesium-rich foods can help keep your muscles functioning smoothly and your nerves firing correctly. Now, let's shift our focus to zinc, often hailed as the immune strengthener. Zinc is an essential trace mineral that is crucial for maintaining a strong immune system. It acts by supporting various cellular functions involved in immune response. Zinc helps activate and produce T cells, which are pivotal in defending your body against pathogens and infected cells. Moreover, zinc plays a significant role in your metabolism. It is involved in the catalytic activity of approximately 100 enzymes, aiding in protein synthesis, wound healing, DNA synthesis, and cell division. A deficiency in zinc can lead to a weakened immune response, making the body more susceptible to flu, colds, and other viral infections. To ensure adequate zinc intake, include foods like meat, shellfish, legumes, seeds, nuts, and dairy in your diet. These zinc-rich foods not only bolster your immune system, but also support your body's metabolic processes, keeping you energized and healthy. Remember, a balanced intake of zinc is a key component in achieving optimal health and immune function. Transitioning from zinc, let's delve into another crucial mineral, copper, known as the elasticity enhancer. Copper plays a pivotal role in maintaining healthy connective tissues, which include your skin, bones, and blood vessels. It is integral in the formation of collagen, a protein essential for the strength and elasticity of these tissues. This mineral is not only about structural support, it also aids in the production of elastin, the protein that keeps your skin supple and your joints flexible. Copper's antioxidant properties help combat free radicals, reducing the risk of degenerative diseases and slowing the aging process. Furthermore, this mineral facilitates the efficient use of iron, helping prevent anemia, which is crucial for the oxygenation of your body's tissues. Adequate copper levels ensure your body's natural rejuvenation processes work effectively, promoting youthful and vibrant health. To maintain optimal levels of copper, include foods like shellfish, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens in your diet. These are not only delicious, but are natural sources that help you meet your daily copper needs, ensuring your connective tissues remain robust and your body stays agile. As we continue to explore the vital nutrients that keep us at our best, remember, maintaining a balanced diet rich in essential minerals like copper is key to a healthy and dynamic life. Transitioning from the essential role of copper, let's focus on selenium, famously known as the antioxidant producer. Selenium is a critical micronutrient that plays a crucial role in protecting your body against oxidative stress and maintaining a healthy immune system. This mineral acts as a cofactor for enzymes known as antioxidant selenoproteins, which are vital in fighting off damaging particles called free radicals. By doing so, selenium helps prevent cellular damage and wards off chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. But the benefits of selenium don't stop there. It is also essential for the proper functioning of your thyroid gland, which regulates your metabolism, energy production, and mood. The thyroid gland has the highest concentration of selenium per gram of tissue because it helps produce and protect thyroid hormones against oxidative damage. Ensuring you have enough selenium in your diet is key to supporting both antioxidant defenses and thyroid health. Foods rich in selenium include Brazil nuts, seafood, and meats, or for vegetarians, mushrooms and whole grains are good sources. Regular intake of these foods can help maintain adequate selenium levels, thus supporting your body's antioxidant capacity and promoting overall well-being. As we continue to explore essential nutrients that contribute to our health, remember, incorporating a variety of these nutrient-dense foods can make a significant difference in your life's quality and longevity. After delving into the power of selenium, let's explore another mighty micronutrient, manganese, often hailed as the super antioxidant. Just like selenium, manganese is indispensable in defending our bodies against the ravages of free radicals. This trace mineral is a component of the antioxidant enzyme superoxide dismutase, SOD, which is one of the most powerful antioxidants that our body produces naturally. Manganese does not only protect our cells from oxidative damage, but also plays a pivotal role in bone formation and maintaining healthy bone structure. It aids in the production of bone-building enzymes and hormones, making it essential for those looking to maintain strong, healthy bones as they age. But the benefits of manganese extend beyond just our bones. It is also crucial for the metabolism of cholesterol, carbohydrates, and proteins. This means that manganese helps maintain stable energy levels and supports the body's ability to build natural defenses against diseases. To ensure you're getting enough manganese in your diet, include foods like pineapples, almonds, pecans, oats, and whole wheat products. These not only support your antioxidant defenses, but also contribute to a robust, energetic, and healthy body. As we continue to unveil the vital nutrients that safeguard our health, incorporating manganese-rich foods into your daily diet can significantly enhance your body's resilience and overall vitality. Transitioning from the powerful antioxidants, let's focus on a vital trace mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining our body's energy balance: chromium, often referred to as the glucose regulator. Chromium is essential for the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, but its most significant role lies in enhancing the action of insulin. Insulin is a hormone critical to the processing of glucose, which is derived from the foods we eat and used by the body for energy. Chromium helps to increase the efficiency of insulin, effectively helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for those managing diabetes or at risk of developing the condition, as it assists in blood glucose regulation, preventing spikes and crashes that can be harmful or even dangerous. Moreover, stable blood sugar levels contribute to sustained energy throughout the day, reduced cravings, and overall better mood and mental clarity. Foods rich in chromium include broccoli, oats, green beans, tomatoes, and whole grains. By incorporating these into your daily diet, you not only support your body's glucose regulation, but also contribute to your overall metabolic health. Remember, maintaining balanced blood sugar levels is a key component in achieving a vibrant, energetic, and healthy lifestyle. As we continue to explore essential nutrients, keep in mind that each has a unique role in supporting our body's complex systems. Moving on from chromium, let's delve into another lesser-known but equally crucial trace mineral, molybdenum, often hailed as the enzyme supporter. Molybdenum is vital for various biochemical processes in the body as it acts as a cofactor for several important enzymes. These enzymes, including sulfite oxidase, xanthine oxidase, and aldehyde oxidase, play critical roles in the metabolism of sulfur-containing amino acids, purines, and certain drugs and toxins. Sulfite oxidase helps convert sulfite to sulfate, preventing the buildup of sulfites, which can be toxic. This process is essential for the metabolism of sulfur amino acids, crucial for overall health. Xanthine oxidase is involved in the breakdown of nucleotides to uric acid, an important part of the body's elimination of waste. Aldehyde oxidase contributes to the body's detoxification pathways by breaking down aldehydes and aromatic hydrocarbons. These enzymatic processes are fundamental for maintaining healthy cellular activity and overall metabolic balance. A deficiency in molybdenum, although rare, can lead to disruptions in these critical processes, affecting health adversely. Foods rich in molybdenum include legumes, grains, leafy vegetables, and nuts. Incorporating these into your diet ensures that your body's enzyme systems function smoothly, supporting your overall health and well-being. As we gear up to conclude our journey through essential nutrients, remember the profound impact each one has on our complex bodily systems. Transitioning from molybdenum, let's focus on iodine, a key mineral that earns its title as the thyroid regulator. Iodine is essential for the synthesis of thyroid hormones, which are crucial for regulating metabolism, energy production, and overall cellular function. Thyroid hormones, such as thyroxine, T4, and triiodothyronine, T3, rely on iodine to help control the body's metabolic rate, influence protein synthesis, and maintain brain health. A lack of sufficient iodine can lead to thyroid gland abnormalities, such as goiter, and can cause conditions like hypothyroidism, where the body does not produce enough thyroid hormones. This can result in symptoms such as fatigue, weight gain, and sensitivity to cold. On the other hand, excessive iodine intake can also lead to hyperthyroidism, characterized by weight loss, rapid heartbeat, and anxiety. The body does not produce iodine naturally, so it is vital to consume it through the diet. Foods rich in iodine include seaweed, dairy products, fish, and iodized salt. Ensuring an adequate intake of iodine is crucial for pregnant and breastfeeding women as it supports fetal and infant development, particularly brain development. As we move towards wrapping up our exploration of essential nutrients, Understanding the role of iodine underscores the intricate balance necessary for optimal health. Keep this critical mineral in mind as you consider your dietary choices to support your thyroid and overall well-being. Transitioning from the role of iodine in thyroid health, we now turn our attention to phosphorus, aptly nicknamed the cell repairer. Phosphorus is not just an element on the periodic table, it's a vital component of every cell in our body, playing a crucial role in cell structure and function. This mineral is a key player in the formation of DNA and RNA, ensuring that cells can repair and replicate themselves effectively. Moreover, phosphorus is essential in storing and managing the body's energy. It forms a part of ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, the molecule that stores and delivers energy in cellular functions. This means every time your muscles move, your heart beats, or your brain processes information, phosphorus is right there, making sure energy is available. It's also instrumental in maintaining the balance of other vitamins and minerals in the body, such as vitamin D, iodine, magnesium, and zinc. A deficiency in phosphorus can lead to muscle weakness, bone pain, and general fatigue, impacting overall vitality and health. Conversely, too much phosphorus, especially in the form of additives in processed foods, can be harmful, leading to cardiovascular and bone issues. Foods rich in phosphorus include chicken, turkey, pork, seafood, pumpkin seeds, and lentils. As we approach the conclusion of our journey through essential nutrients, remember the power of phosphorus, the cell repairer, in keeping your body's cellular machinery running smoothly and efficiently. To recap, a diet rich in these essential vitamins and minerals will empower your body to operate at its full potential, enhancing your health and vitality. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful health and well-being content. Don't forget to comment below with the topics you'd like us to explore in our next videos. Your feedback drives our community forward. Thank you for watching, and remember, your health is your wealth,